Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome as well. Today I will be showing you guys how I do my everyday makeup, and of course we start with the messiest hair because your girl and hair placement is just on something else, guys. Like I just need to learn how to place my hair. So for everyday makeup, guys, I don't really do much. I just choose the hair that I want to wear. We thank God to the wigs. I can be natural. I can choose any wig that I want and choose the style of the day. I do not go all in, guys. Like the videos that I usually show you is maybe for events or something like that, but on a normal day, guys, this is exactly what I do. So I just like to use the styling gel. This one doesn't hold too much. It just gives you that slight hold, but if you want the extreme hold, you can go all in with that. But this one works for me, which is the soft and free styling gel. So now I'm going in with my sunscreen. Of course, you want to do this after going in with your skincare. So my final product to use on my skincare is my sunscreen, and I like to go all in. If you've watched my previous video, you know this is my least favorite sunscreen because it gives me that white cast. So now I'm going in with this what is it called, Estee Lauder foundation, and I'm in color maple. And I like to use my hands, guys. I find that using a brush or a sponge gives me a full coverage, but right now we are not going for that. I want to use my hands because it gives me the skin like feel, and it doesn't give me full coverage. Like I still want my pimples or my scars to show a little bit, just a little bit realistic makeup in a way. So my hands helps me a lot, guys. Like they help with that. And also I get this, it's like a shine, I don't know, shine see-through makeup look. And again, y'all, this is only for every day, maybe when I'm going shopping and stuff, you see those things. And I am not for events, because events I do not play, I go all in. And this is just during the day. Like I don't want heavy makeup on me. And again, the brows, guys, sometimes I usually just go with my tinted brows or just draw them, or sometimes don't even draw them, I just brush them through. So now I'm going in with the Maybelline Superstay foundation. This one is in color caramel. It's not even too light. I just use this to keep my eyes awake a little bit. You can go in with a concealer if you want, but I don't like to go in with a super bright concealer because it's during the day. We're trying to just look alive, not full beat and stuff. So this is what I actually like to do. Honestly, I do not go in with a full beat, guys. Even the brows, I just like to draw them here and there, like, you understand. So I like to use my hands to warm everything. I find that using my hands warms the product and makes sure that everything is just sheer in a way. If you have a foundation and when you blend with your hands, still it's doing this, and you like this look that I'm doing, you can just mix it with lotion, or you can just go and buy BB or CC creams. They are there, guys. They're just tinted foundations and stuff, but I really just like to use the foundations that I have with my hands, and also use it while my primer or my sunscreen is still moist, so that it can grab on the foundation really nice. As you can see, you guys, we still have some scars showing through, and that is okay. I really like that. I do not mind. I mean, we are just trying to mimic a slightly perfect face, but it's not really perfect kind of vibes. So I'm going in with a powder, because sometimes it tends to be super hot and I crease. So what I do is just to set my whole face. You can actually go in with a powder that matches your face, or you can just put on powder without foundation and go out. That is what we are trying to aim here, guys. So I like to set everything, like my whole face, to make sure that everything is put in place. But I do not like the finish of powdery look, so I go in with my hands again and I just warm the powder and make sure that everything is blended in, guys. Like I just find this trick to work for me. And also people will be like, you look glowing today. I'm like, oh really? That time I have makeup on, but I don't really have makeup on type of vibes. So now going in with my favorite contour palette. I like to use this on my eyes as well. Like as you guys can see, I do not really contour my face. So the concealer or the foundation that I use as my highlighter sort of give me that natural contour. So I just use this for my eyes, just to a little bit lift them. I don't want to go in with like harsh or dark or super dark or shiny what is it called, eyeshadow. So what I do, I just do that. Or if I really want to like have a little bit of shine, I just use my hands to like put the shiny or the shimmer eyeshadow on my eyes. I don't know what I'm saying. What am I saying? But that is what I'm doing, guys. As you have seen, I was not even using the correct blending brush. It is advised that you use that, but for this look I just didn't really care much, you know. So now I'm going in with the LA Girl what is it called? Why am I forgetting things today, guys? Like it's in the morning. So this is a gel from LA Girl, and it's super dark. If you want a slightly muted eyeliner, you may want to go in with like a pencil. So now I'm just going in with this one because I really like it. It doesn't move at all. So now I'm going in with my Maybelline voluminous mascara, and I always make sure my eyelashes are mascaraed. I don't know the word, guys, but I always make sure that I have mascara on. I feel like it keeps your eyes a little bit awake, you know. Now I also like to put it underneath my eyelashes. What are they called? I don't know, guys. So I also like to go in with a muted, more like a nude lipstick after going in with a liner. I normally don't really line, it depends on the day. So I'm just going in with that one. That one, I think, is I got it from, where is it from? Jet or something like that, I'm not sure. And then now I just use my hands. My hands are my holy grail, okay? It just warms everything up. So the Fenty lipstick, which is like a lip gloss in a way, sometimes, guys, I tend to put a lot because it has color, and sometimes I'm not going for color. I actually tend to just wipe it off a little bit. You'll see very soon what I did, because right now, guys, I'm still applying and I'm applying, and I don't know like why didn't I see that. But sometimes I am not going for that look. I'm not going for a full lippy, so I tend to wipe and then do the I don't know what it's called, guys, I'm sorry, but yeah, I tend to do that and then wipe again and then put it in, and I find that it helps my lippy to stick longer. Now I'm going in with a highlighter from the palette of Black Radiance palette. As you can see, you guys, my hands are my holy grail. Like, I feel like I should just name this video doing my full face using my hands. So this is how we are looking, guys. Like, I'm done. Like, I'm done. So this is just my realistic makeup, everyday makeup, guys. Like, I will be honest with you, I do not have time, and again, it's super hot where I stay. I do not feel like wearing makeup, but this is how we actually look on a daily basis when I decide to wear something. Or I just go like that. I just go bare face, just put on my wig or rock my natural hair and just go. But if I decide to wear something, this is actually how I look. Sometimes when I feel like, you know, I want to do something, I do go in with some fluffy eyelashes, you know, just put them in and, you know, just go like that. But that is it, guys, from this video, my realistic everyday makeup. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, to like and comment, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.